In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys or walk you through how to change your desktop wallpaper or background on your Dell laptop or desktop computer, or even a Dell laptop tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just locate the image or file you want to set as your wallpaper or background, right click on it, and then select the option that says set as desktop background. And then assuming it's a supported file format like a JPEG or PNG file, it should be able to set it as the desktop wallpaper. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.